Warren Buffett is one of the richest people in the world. But what many people don't realize is that he wasn't born into wealth. In fact, he grew up poor and had to work his way to the top. So, how did he do it? What are his secrets for building wealth? In this video, we will share with you 7 golden rules from Warren Buffett that will help you build wealth from scratch. No. 1. Live below your means. This is the first and most important rule of all. It doesn't matter how much money you make if you don't control your spending habits. You can easily fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, where your expenses increase as your income increases. And before you know it, you're just working to pay for your lavish lifestyle. But if you live below your means, then you can save a portion of your income and invest it wisely. And over time, your investments will start to grow and compound, and you will have built real wealth for yourself. Number 2. Invest in yourself. This is the second most important rule. It doesn't matter how much money you have invested, if you don't have the knowledge and skills to back it up. You need to invest in yourself by educating yourself about personal finance and investing, and also by developing the skills that will make you more valuable in your career. This will help you make smarter investment decisions, and also help you negotiate better deals in your personal life. Number 3. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is a common mistake that many investors make. They put all their money into one stock or one investment, and they don't diversify. This is risky because if that stock goes down, then you will lose all your money. But if you diversify your investments, then you will reduce your risk, and also increase your chances of making money. For example, Warren Buffett's most famous quote is diversify. He knows the importance of diversification, and he practices what he preaches. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, owns a wide range of businesses in different industries. If one of them fails, it won't have a major impact on the others. Number 4. Be patient. This is another important rule that many investors break. They want to get rich quick, so they invest in risky assets and try to time the market. But this is a losing strategy. The best investors are patient and they wait for the right opportunities to come along. They don't invest just for the sake of investing. They wait until they see a good deal that meets their criteria, and when they find it, they strike. Warren Buffett is known for his patience. He has missed out on many investment opportunities because he couldn't agree on the price. He would rather hold on to his cash and wait for the right opportunity than invest in something that isn't a good deal. No. 5. Think long term. This is a rule that applies to all aspects of your life, not just investing. You should think long term when making decisions, whether it's about your career, your relationships, or your finances. Don't just focus on the short term. Think about what you want to achieve in the long run. What kind of legacy do you want to leave behind? When you think long term, you'll be able to make better decisions that will benefit you in the future. No. 6. Learn to say no. This is a rule that is often overlooked, but it's very important. You can't say yes to everything. You have to learn to say no to things that are a good fit or that align with your goals. This is especially important when it comes to investing. There will be many investment opportunities that come your way, but you shouldn't invest in every single one of them. You have to be selective and only invest in things that meet your criteria. Otherwise, you'll end up wasting your money and time. Warren Buffett is known for being very disciplined when it comes to investing. He says that 99% of what he sees is trash, and he only invests in things that he understands and that he believes are undervalued. 7. Never give up. This is the last and most important rule of all. Building wealth takes time and effort. There will be times when you feel like giving up, but you have to push through. You have to keep working hard and stay focused on your goal. Don't let setbacks get in your way. Use them as motivation to work harder and smarter. Remember that success is just around the corner. If you follow these 7 golden rules from Warren Buffett, you will be well on your way to building wealth. Remember that it takes time and effort to build real wealth. Don't expect to get rich quick, but if you follow these rules, you will eventually reach your financial goals. So start today and build that wealth you deserve. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.